So I've got a potato salad on the go today. And I use this when we have little sort of parties and stuff like that. I always find it a bit of a winner. It's got loads of stuff in it. We've got tuna in this one, egg, cheese, few veg. Really, really tasty. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what I've got here is 4 cups of potatoes cooked. I just peeled them, boiled them, a little bit of salt, and they're quite soft. I kind of like them fairly soft. 3 boiled eggs, and then a cup each here, roughly. I'm using some cheddar cheese, sweet corn, tuna, pickles or gherkins, whatever you want to call them, mayo, and then here, maybe half a cup or just under, onion, tomato, and parsley. We're going to give this a little mix together, add some black pepper. Job done. It's fantastic. Okay, super easy. Mixing bowls there. Got the potatoes in. Going to pop in my corn, my pickle, the tuna. I've also made this with chicken as well before, which is really good. Onion, a little bit of tomato, pop some cucumbers in there if you want fresh cucumber. I'm going with parsley, but you could use another fresh herb if you wanted. The eggs, you can see the eggs, I've just chopped them up, 3 eggs. Some cheese, I'm going with cheddar. Black pepper, nice couple of pinches. Now look, I'm not adding salt because I added a bit of salt to the potatoes when I cooked them, and the mayo I find quite salty. Now we're just going for like a cup of mayo, which doesn't look like a lot, but I don't really want it sort of swimming in mayo, you know. I want a kind of just a nice gentle kind of coating of it, really. I mean, you can add more if you want. Okay, job done. I'm going to get in and give that a mix. Okay, and there you go. Look, really simple, nice little mix on there. As you can see, I've chucked some tomatoes around that, and I've just put a little bit of sweet paprika on the top. Beautiful, really lovely. Stick that on the table at a little party or something. Goes down really well. Anyway, hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.